Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today, nakapag-custom repaint tayo ng Heart Skull. Ito ang project collaboration ko with Sir Renz Bautista of Clyde Collectibles. Thank you very much, Sir Clyde, for this opportunity na makapag-custom repaint ng Heart Skull na ginawa nating Joker Heath Ledger version. So, walkthrough ko lang kayo kung paano ko ginawa yung proseso. So, in-sprayan ko to ng Bosny flat black, flat gray dito sa may unahan, tapos flat white para magkaroon ng lighter version dito sa front part of the face. Tapos after nun, dry brush with purple, with greens, and also whites. And after that, put purple na paint dito sa eye sockets para dark yung eye sockets niya. Tapos yung sa lips, red from here papunta dito sa teeth. Naka-overlap ng red yan. Ayan, hanggang dito sa part na to. Okay, dito sa side part ng kanyang head. Okay, after that, dry brush ng light yellow and white combination para dito sa kanyang teeth. Tapos after naman nun, nag-dry brush na ako ng green dito sa back part of the head. And then, some wavy parts dito sa back part of the head din para bumuha siyang hair. Tapos sinulat ko yung text na Clyde Collectibles X Rain Cifra. Thank you very much, Sir Clyde. This is a first na naman for me. First ako nakapag-drawing dito sa Joker. And it's really fun. Super nag-enjoy kami sa family. Super. Gusto ko nakikita ko rin yung transformation from the stock pink skull to a Jokerized version. So, I think this is the start of my Jokerized journey ng custom repaint. So, I think sa mga susunod na mga projects, maraming tayong gagawin Jokerized na McFarlane Toys, maybe sa Marvel. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pwede natin i-crossover. Pero, soon, gagawa tayo ng maraming Jokerized versions ng custom repaints. Pero for now, this is the first. After ng process na yun, yung sa buhok, nilagay ko yung mata. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yung last na step, actually, nilagay ko yung mga text na ha. Okay? So, natapos ko siya March 23, actually tonight, March 23, 2026. Around 10 p.m. Okay? So, yun, na-sprayin ko na rin to ng top coat, nag-cure na siya, and I'm ready to deliver this Lalamove. Let's go! Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!